Are you struggling to make money online as an affiliate marketer? Have you been sold the idea of massive earnings without websites and not having to create your own products? Have you paid false, so-called gurus that never give you the full picture and don't deliver real results? If you answer yes to any of these, I can say I have been there. Right now, we have something very special for you. It's what changed me from failing, for over 5 years, to my path to success. And it's all free today. Well, not entirely free. You only cover a measly $7.96 shipping. Here's what you're going to get. 1. The Iceberg Effect book written by my mentor and super affiliate, Dean Holland. This is the soft cover copy of the book that saved me, which will be shipped direct to your door. Most customers receive their book fast in just 1 to 5 days. On top of that, to over-deliver to you, I will also arrange with Dean 3 bonus gifts worth over $146. Bonus number 1: the Iceberg Effect audiobook. Prefer to listen in the car or on the move? This is perfect for you, and whilst Dean normally charges for this, act today and you'll get it included at no extra cost as a thank you for getting your copy. Bonus number 2: the Iceberg Effect Masterclass. Inside the book you'll be given a secret link to the online Masterclass version of the book. In this private training you'll get insider access to some of the biggest and most profitable details of the book like never before. Bonus number 3: 7 days of surprises. Every day whilst you wait for your copy of the book to arrive, you'll get a surprise in your email inbox direct from Dean. These are real treats, one of them sold for $997 and you get it all free. Again, all of this is yours for just a $7.96 shipping contribution, and even that is backed by the better than free guarantee. Yes. Get the book, read it, use the bonuses. And if you don't feel it was worth that tiny shipping cost, let Dean's team know and you can even get that sent right back to you. He may be going crazy here, so hurry before Dean changes his mind. Click continue to get your copy today, before supplies run out or Dean changes his mind. May God bless you and your loved ones. Signing off. Pedro Robert.